this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing App Store on your iPad. So if you can't find the App Store on your iPad, then there's actually a couple of ways to go and restore this app. Now, the first thing you want to do is just swipe down your iPad to bring up the search box and then just go and search for App Store. Now, it could be the case that we've just removed it from our home screen, but the app is still installed on your device. So if you do see the App Store in this search box, then what we can do is just hold down our finger on the application, and then you can go and click on Add to Home Screen, and as you can see, it's now reappeared on my device. Now, if you still can't find the application, then it's likely due to your content restrictions on your iPad. So to go and fix this, we need to open up the Settings application, scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Screen Time, and then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, make sure this option at the top here is turned off and disabled, and once you've done this, you can come back over to your iPad, and you should now be able to find and start using the App Store. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.